So if you're interested in the PHPP, if you want to learn more about the PHPP, you want to learn more about how to integrate the PHPP into your workflow, whether that's for driving your design or whether that's for certifying passive houses, this course is hopefully going to help you on that front. And then over the course of several weeks, we're going to have the chance to work together to build a complete project all the way from start to finish. The courses are split into sort of logical sections to sort of encapsulate and allow us to move through a set of different content areas. Well, it's going to get rolled out using a platform known as Canvas. It's an online learning platform that allows us to sort of structure the content, make it available to folks in a pretty easy to use manner. You'll get a login and you log in just like any other sort of web app. And then you'll have access to things like those on-demand videos, quizzes, assignments, discussion boards, question and answer boards where you can, ask questions of myself and other instructors. And of course, recordings like the one, like this session today, will all be recorded. Question and answer sessions will all be recorded and all made available to you through that Canvas website as well.